Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something. Do you want to speak English, but you feel nervous? Do you think, I understand English, but I cannot speak? If yes, don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we will practice easy daily English conversation together. Welcome to Easy English Zone. I am very happy you are here. This lesson is for beginners. Very simple English, slow English, clear English. You do not need perfect English. You just need to listen and try. That is all. Today, we will learn daily English conversations. You can use them at home, at work, with friends, every day. Let's start. First, let's talk about greetings. Greetings are the first words you say. You can say, hello, hi. These words are very common. You can use them anytime. Now, listen and repeat in your mind. Hello. Hi. Good job. After hello, we often ask, how are you? This question is very important. It means, are you okay? Common answers are, I am fine, thank you. I am good, thanks. Let's practice a small conversation. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good, thanks. Very nice. Very easy. Now, let's talk about introducing yourself. When you meet someone new, you can say, my name is Emma. My name is James. You can also say, I am Emma. I am James. Both are correct. After that, you can say, nice to meet you. The other person says, nice to meet you too. Let's practice. Hello. My name is... Nice to meet you. Great, you are doing well. Now, let's move to daily questions. A very common question is, what do you do? This means, what is your job? Or, what is your work? Easy answers. I am a student. I am a teacher. I work in an office. I work in a shop. Short answers are okay. Let's try a conversation. Hi. Hi. What do you do? I am a student. Oh, nice. Simple and natural. Now, let's talk about daily activities. People often ask, what are you doing? This means, what are you doing now? Easy answers. I am working. I am eating. I am studying. I am watching TV. For example, I am learning English. Yes, you are learning English right now. Let's practice together. What are you doing? I am learning English. Perfect. Now, let's stop for a short recap. You learned, hello. How are you? My name is... What do you do? What are you doing? These sentences are very useful. You can use them every day. Now, let's practice English for shopping. Imagine you are in a shop. You can say, excuse me, this is a polite word. Then you can ask, how much is this? The answer can be, it is $5. It is 10 rupees. Let's do a short conversation. Excuse me. Yes. How much is this? It is $5. Thank you. You're welcome. Very good. Now, let's talk about food and drinks. When you want food, you can say, I am hungry. When you want water or tea, you can say, I am thirsty. In a restaurant, you can say, I would like tea, please. I would like coffee, please. Or, can I have water, please? Let's practice. Hello? Hello? Can I have tea, please? Yes, of course. Thank you. Nice and polite. Now, I want you to practice with me. Say this sentence. I am learning English every day. Say it again. I am learning English every day. Very good. Remember one important thing. Making mistakes is okay. Mistakes help you learn. Do not be afraid. Now, let's listen to a full, easy conversation. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am good, thank you. And you? I am fine. What do you do? I work in an office. What are you doing now? I am learning English. That's great. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Bye. Bye. This is real English, simple English, daily English. You can practice this at home. You can practice with a friend. You can practice alone. Now, let's do a final summary. Today, you learned greetings, talking about yourself, talking about work, talking about daily activities, shopping, and food English. You are improving, step by step, day by day. Now, I have a question for you. Please answer in the comments. What are you doing right now? Write one simple sentence in English. For example, I am watching this video. I am learning English. I will read your comment. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. Subscribe to Easy English Zone for more easy English. Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing, you can do it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.